Hey guys, Santiago with Rogue Vans here. I am coming to you to talk about our eSprinter build. So this is a really exciting thing for us. I think the eSprinter is a new and exciting development in the world of vans. I think it's going to change the landscape. And I think the eSprinter really more than anything is going to make a big splash. Why? It has a way better range than the eTransit. It has a way better range than any commercially available large van style e-vehicle. So Mercedes is publishing, 240, 250. We're doing real world testing so far, 180, especially with the load or if you have your foot down on the pedal. We're going to be really diving in to the eSprinter. We're going to do the ins and outs. I'm going to be taking you through what does it all mean? Where is the motor? How does it work? What are the different components? What are you going to see in the engine bay? What are you going to see down on the chassis rail? What do the batteries look like? We're going to be diving into this thing all the way. I want to take you through all the different features, all the nuances, all the changes, all the custom things, all the things that are going to be different for upfitters. We've got all the upfitter guides, the body upfitting panels, everything that you need to understand these vehicles. We've studied them, and we're going to basically take you through and give you all the information that you need if you want to do your own eSprinter conversion. And also we're going to talk you through why we did the things that we did, why we want to make certain changes, how we're going to do our eSprinter build, what are the layouts going to look like, what our goals are. We're going to take you through the whole thing. You're going to be able to follow along at home and kind of get inspiration, hopefully, if you want to do an eSprinter build. We've got a really amazing solar concept with some regenerative charging concepts and stuff that we want to dive into. So I think it's going to be really cool. I think it's going to be really informative. And my goal here is really to just give you as much information as I possibly can on the eSprinter, how the systems work, and also what it is that we're actually going to be doing, why we're going to build things the way we are. The people are already very affectionately calling the eSprinter the upfitter killer, which I don't know if that's real or accurate, but it definitely feels like it could be real and accurate. There are all these zones that you just can't go anymore. You can't touch them. There's cables you can't touch. There's panels that you can't open. There's a lot of really specific safety features built into this. I mean, we're dealing with extremely high voltage battery systems. So, there's a lot of sensitive stuff happening. But yeah, that's going to be the meat and potatoes essentially of our series. We want to take you through all the different aspects of the van. We want to take you through the different aspects of our design, our build process, the different decisions we're going to make. And at the end of the day, where you're going to see the finished product, and then we're going to take this thing on the road. We want to take it to all the shows that we can this year, and we want you to be able to experience it. If anything, we might even try to do test rides at certain events. That's what the eSprinter build is going to look like this year, 2024, with Rogue Vans, and we want you to follow along. And when we do our walkthrough, prior to that, if you want to drop comments, let us know what kinds of things you want us to cover. Please do so in the comments below and let me know if you want us to cover specific things. We're happy to go into detail on whatever you guys are into. All right, that's it for now. We'll see you next time.